Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little bracelet I found on Aliexpress. As you can see, it is a third-party product. It looks, or is supposed to be looking like Thomas Sabo's Rebel Heart Collection, the skull bracelet, and I thought it was pretty cool looking, and for the pricing, definitely worth it. I paid like 10 bucks for it. And then normally you pay like almost 100 for that. It looks made quite nicely. Everything is, yeah, put in together nicely and neat. Nothing sharp, nothing um, with the potential to hurt yourself. But yeah, all in all, really decent piece. And how it works, you're just gonna scoop it over your arm, and then it sits on there. In case that you can't get it over, you can actually bend it, open it a little bit, and then bend it back together, and then it just sticks there. And I think it looks pretty neat. The skulls look good, and apparently it is starting silver. I'm not 100% sure about that, because for the pricing that would be yeah, pretty cheap, I would say, but maybe it is. I mean, can't really prove that. Yeah, but that's the details on the skull. So you get an idea here. Even the little black-ish shadow parts are fine for the pricing, I would say. And as you can see right now, I have trouble putting this on. Then I found out that you can actually bend it open because, I don't know, I'm a little big. So here we, I think I did it, yeah. Now I did bend it a little open. Then I scooped right in there. Then I scooped it back together. Not too tight, otherwise you might be stuck somewhere. But that's just nice and neat. And that's what it looks like on your arm. And I thought it was giving a really cool vibe, really cool design to it. But yeah, you can wear it on the bottom as well if that's something that you're more interested in. And you have like a silver ring on top. I like it this way around. I like to combine it with a watch or with like some beads and stuff, but that's personal preference. And yeah, that's basically the find. And in case you want to check that out, I will put the link in the description and you can check it out, and I think we can call it a day. So until the next video, you guys, take care. My name is Badger. Have a good day, and I'm out. So bye bye.